If you use Todoist to manage your day, one of the most useful things you can learn is how to add notes to your tasks the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make notes in Todoist using both the task description and the comment section so you can keep important instructions, reference text, links, updates, and even journal-style notes all in one place. This is especially helpful if you want more context inside your tasks and you don't want to lose track of important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the project or area where you want to create a new task. To add a note in the form of a task description, click the task and type your task title first. Once the task name is in place, look directly underneath it for the description field. This field sits right under the task name, and it is ideal for adding extra instructions, reference text, important links, or anything else you want attached to that task. Click Description, then type your note. You can keep it short and simple or use it for more detailed information depending on what the task needs. This is a great way to store context without cluttering the main task title. For example, if a task is something like Call Client, your description could include the phone number, talking points, or a link to the document you need before the call. If you are using Todoist for work, school, or personal planning, this feature makes your tasks much more useful because all the key information stays in one place. Now, if you want to make notes that are more like ongoing updates, journal entries, or conversation-style messages, Todoist comments are the better option. Comments are perfect for continuous updates, file attachments, and progress tracking over time. To add a comment, click the speech bubble icon next to the task. If the task is already open, you can also scroll down and click the comment box at the bottom. Once the comment box appears, type your note and save it. This is especially useful when a task needs multiple updates, when you want to record what you already tried, or when you need to attach files related to the task. So here's the simple rule. Use the description field for the main note that supports the task, and use comments for updates that continue over time. That way, your tasks stay organized and easy to understand at a glance. If you're managing projects, assignments, or personal to-do lists, this small habit can save you a lot of time later. You'll know exactly where your information is, and you won't have to search through random documents or messages to find it again. Once you get used to it, adding notes in Todoist becomes quick and easy. Just remember, click Add Task, type the title, use description for key reference info, and use comments for ongoing notes and attachments. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.